I'm just sure it looks good. Hold up. No.
Okay, hi guys. We're doing an eating show today. Burger King breakfast.
Hi everyone.
Introduce yourself.
I just need to blow my nose.
I'm dying.
Where's my big box?
Is that the seatbelt sign?
Oh.
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 Where's
So
my
we're
Kleenex
eating-
box? I'm so hungry.
We're eating French toast.
Blow my nose.
Oh wait, I crushed it.
Oh, hallelujah. My nose was bleeding last night.
Really? You were sick? So we're trying the cinnamon toast sticks.
I've had them before.
The
That
guy in
guy's-
front of us
he's
loved.
angry. He's like, I can't watch this any longer.
We're late for school, but who the fuck cares? It's Friday.
Yeah. We haven't been like all week.
We should try our first stick and cheers each
Okay.
other.
Sorry, I was just clearing my nose.
I have to wait for you to get your life together.
Do you have... My life is almost together.
We sound like such hoodmans eating French toast sticks. Hi.
Can we just take a live? Like, this is ridiculous.
Okay, you do it.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're doing the live? Okay. This reminds me of the
Those
Eggo
seem so
French
close.
toast sticks.
They're so good.
Remember those?
They're only in America.
They used to be in Canada.
I know. I used to eat them every day.
I miss them. I should ask for extra syrup.
They don't give 2 packs.
Cheap assholes.
Should we go back? We asked for 2 packs. Are we still taping?
We're recording.
Hi.
Let them hear our crunches.
Okay.
Just for a second.
I'm not gonna say hi. What a biatch.
Hi, Taz.
Hello. That's so rude.
They were gonna call you to ask them for a run.
Hello. We're like, they're not gonna say hi. So rude.
I thought you were in class.
No.
Are you going? Nice pants. I want those back. You know, she had my pants for like 8 years.
And then I gave them
just went
back.
And I left them there for Cuba, and now she's wearing them again. No, not today.
Are you gonna make me go?
No. No. You better stop.
Maneko, don't go to class yet, you weirdo.
But like, okay. But I have to go eventually. I made a promise.
We are going in like 5 minutes once we finish our meals.
You guys are gonna be in the car together.
Come join our eating show.
Yeah,
come in
come,
the
we're
back.
We're gonna get hungry.
We're filming.
No, bitch is Mars.
We're recording though. Come in the back. Be guest
Recording
stars
what?
for like 3 minutes.
For
I
you
have to
too.
go to class. I have nothing to do.
Open the door for her. Open the door for Maneko.
How do I do that?
Okay. Maneko, just chill with us, bro.
Oh, but you guys, it smells like pee in here.
Open it for her.
How do I do it?
Pull the handle, you weirdo.
Our guest stars. What if I posted this on YouTube and
We
it got
convinced her.
viral?
Hello.
Hi.
Smells like pee in here.
Yeah, your French toast smells pee-ish.
Oh.
But like,
Mm.
but, like rock
Give her
on.
one of your hash brown bites.
No, it's fine.
Mhm. Come get a hash brown bite.
Thank you. But no, thank you.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
No, hash browns make me sick.
Mm-mm.
Whoa.
I ate too many as a kid one time, like 4,000, and then. I
Whoa,
had
that's
to-
goals, life goals.
Yeah, well.
I almost. That was my
4,000?
last
then you
stick.
get sick.
You're beating me.
I know, I'm fast.
You guys are so annoying. Can you go to Burger King for breakfast? No.
I've never had Burger King breakfast.
That's really good. Can we not play this song? Nejo?
Do you like pina colada?
That song saved to your phone.
It's our Cuba playlist.
Oh,
Oh, fuck. It's good.
fuck.
Thank you.
I'm
Maneko,
so hungry. Like,
tell us about your life.
My life is just trash.
Same.
Look, it's a double hash brown. They look like nuggets. It's like a trick. You dip your hash browns in syrup, because I do.
I don't have any hash browns. Oh yeah.
Of course you do.
Of course, yes I do.
Of course you do.
Look! Movies! Movies! So I dropped kinesiology.
I heard. How'd you do it?
Happy birthday.
We FaceTime.
Whoa. Freaking weird. Okay.
I said because we talked about going to Burger King. Oh shit.
I had a 44%.
Oh, yeah. But,
Families in Canada online. You're online? The university one? What school? Virtual? What? Mine's a virtual high school. I didn't try. You can't even get in.
Oh, look at how cool you look. With those shades on. I'm
done.
all red.
I'm all done. I've got it.